Are you interested in passive investing but unsure where to start? Today, we'll review Wealthfront, one of the top robo-advisor platforms, and look at how it manages your investments without needing constant attention. Wealthfront offers automated portfolio management, personalized to your goals and risk tolerance. In this video, I'll share my honest experience with the platform and explain everything from account setup to fees and performance. Let's begin with Wealthfront's key advantages. First, Wealthfront uses modern portfolio theory to optimize your investments, balancing risk and return. They also handle tax loss harvesting, reinvesting dividends, and account rebalancing automatically. This means less effort on your part while potentially improving your long-term returns. One of the standout features is the low management fee, just 0.25% per year, which is significantly cheaper than traditional advisors. Plus, the minimum investment is just $500, making it accessible for beginner investors. But are there any downsides? Wealthfront lacks access to human financial advisors unless you hit a $100,000 account balance, which may not suit those who want personalized financial advice. Now, let's touch on an important point. Trading manually can be a challenge. Are you tired of the ups and downs of trading and constantly analyzing market trends? PrimeXPT offers a seamless solution. Copy the trades of experienced, successful traders and replicate their strategies automatically. With PrimeXPT, you can step up your trading game without all the hassle. Just register, make a deposit, and start copying winning trades today. Back to Wealthfront. The platform excels at simplifying complex investment strategies, but it's not ideal for active traders or those who want full control over each trade. However, if you're looking for a set it and forget it approach, Wealthfront can be a great fit. Another highlight is Wealthfront's Path Tool, a comprehensive financial planning feature that helps you set long-term goals, such as retirement, buying a home, or saving for education. This tool gives Wealthfront an edge over many other robo-advisors that don't offer detailed financial planning resources. The service does have a couple of drawbacks to be aware of. For instance, if you prefer customizing your portfolio beyond Wealthfront set ETFs, there's limited flexibility. And although the fees are low, those managing higher amounts of money might prefer a service with more personalized advisory options. That said, Wealthfront is excellent for hands-off investors who want a tech-driven, low-cost solution. Whether you're saving for retirement or just starting to build wealth, Wealthfront's automation can save you both time and money. Now, if you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more insights into investment platforms and strategies.